Hey guys! Thanks for stopping by. My name is Vashti, and in today's video, I will share with you different ways to keep your toddler busy while traveling. In this video, I will share with you activities that I bought that were super helpful for my son, and I really hope you guys will find this helpful as well. So with that being said, let's dive right in. So I first want to start off with this buckle pillow. Since my toddler was 14 months old, he was determined to figure out how to buckle and unbuckle his high chair and car seat, and it kept him busy for a long time. So I provided him with this buckle pillow on our plane ride at 14 months, and he loved it. It kept him busy for pretty much the full 4-hour plane ride. So not only is this pillow super entertaining and perfect for on-the-go moms to fit well in your diaper bag, it also helps to strengthen your toddler's fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, problem solving, and color recognition. And because my son has enjoyed it so much, I've been putting it in his toy rotation and it seems to never get old. But because he's pretty familiar with this toy now, I decided I wanted to get him something a little different for our next trip. So I was eyeing this busy board book for months on Amazon, and I decided that this was the perfect time to get it. This book provides an array of 14 different practical life skills for your toddler, from tying shoes to opening zippers, snapping buttons, and clicking buckles back together. This sensory and fine motor skill board book is sure to keep your child busy. Not only does it provide finger dexterity for those little hands and teaches cognitive skill building, it is also very flexible and able to fit well in your carry-on. Some of the buckles can be a bit challenging, but it's not too much to keep your toddler from being interested. And if you're there to watch, you can always help your little one understand the concept if need be. It also comes with these Velcro letters and numbers to help with spelling and counting, and my son loves to peel the letters and numbers on and off this board. But because they are small pieces, it's up to you whether you want to take that with you while you travel. So I really like how this cheese threader comes attached to the wood as it keeps it from getting lost. And it's also very small and able to fit in a small pocket in your carry-on. It's great for those little hands and provides the opportunity for your child to practice their hand coordination by threading it through the holes. Now, if you have pipe liners hanging around, you can also use this as a good and cheap option, but I would like to do a separate video on DIY traveling activities because I have a lot of those and it would be too much to put into this video. So I got this idea off of the last plane ride I had with my son. He was so occupied with screwing and unscrewing our water bottle lids, so I thought this would be a great activity to take along. So I got these nuts and bolts in the Melissa and Doug construction set box, and though it comes with 48 pieces, just bringing 2 to 8 pieces will be enough for your toddler to be entertained while working on their fine motor skills. If your child is anything like mine, they will love fitting the screws inside the bolts and learning that when you twist them, they will stay in place. And because these are wooden and of a bigger size than actual nuts and bolts, this is much more travel friendly. So this is a perfect mess-free option for your child, and it's specifically designed for travel. So simply use this refillable water pen to color in each picture. And as you do, details and vibrant colors appear with every stroke you make. And then you just let it dry and the picture will just erase and it will do it all over again. So this is the perfect alternative to screen time while on a plane and is a great way in fostering creativity and wonder in your child. So another great sensory toy for your busy little toddler, this lightweight, flexible bubble toy thing is perfect for helping your child stay busy and focus while on the plane or just traveling in general. So there are many benefits for using this toy. Not only does it help calm your little one and can relieve stress and anxiety by its repetitive movement and subtle popping sounds, but it also helps in the maintenance of child development, creativity, dexterity improvement, and interactive learning. When my toddler was first introduced to these magnet blocks, he was obsessed with them and didn't want to let go of them. So these blocks come with 8 pieces that provide endless ways to create beautiful wood designs. And though a bit pricey, they are small and don't take up too much room in your carry-on, and they are great for all ages. And though my son is still little and not so much interested in making different designs just yet, They still provide him with a lot of entertainment by simply putting the blocks together. They also are small enough for his hands to grasp them properly. But just one stipulation I have is my son can get frustrated when the blocks aren't aligning the way he wants them to. So, with a little help and supervision, you'll be able to help your toddler understand. So, my son loves this magnetic drawing tool and it keeps him busy for what seems like hours. So, this board comes with a pen and beads that are inside the board that together work as your pen and paper. And when you draw the magnetic beads up with your pen, you can then use your fingers as an eraser to push the beads back into the board. My son loves to hold onto the pen and use his little fingers to push each of the beads back into the board. And though this is another tool that comes with endless amounts of designs, your toddler can stay busy just doing the bare minimum. These beads are completely self-contained and do not come out of the board. It is the perfect size for your carry-on, and it is a good replacement for coloring as it keeps things mess-free. This activity is a no-brainer in our household, and you will enjoy doing this together while waiting for the plane because not only does it keep my toddler entertained, it surprisingly keeps me entertained as well. One realization I had with this, though, is that when you're pushing the beads back down and shaking the board, it can be quite noisy if you're on a plane. And my son, he loves to shake the board. So we know in the future just to take it out in the waiting area when waiting to board. So this is a DIY tactile activity that I made, and I was going to put this in a separate video, but my son loves this so much, I thought I'd quickly add it in here. So these are painted magnetic squares. So as your child puts pieces of magnetic toys on various surfaces, they're learning about spatial awareness, hand-eye coordination, and developing their fine motor skills and fingers. Also, with the colored squares, you can build conversations around the name of the color on each of the squares and getting your toddler familiar with their colors. So with just a little paint and hot glue, you can whip up these magnets in no time and for way cheap. I put it in a tin can for my son because I know that the schema he's in right now, he really loves to open and close things, and so I thought a tin can would be perfect to hold his little magnets in. So this metallic pan is seriously the cutest baking sheet I've ever seen. It's so tiny, and even though I'm not using it for its intended purpose, it works great as a place setting for when you're traveling with your kiddos. It's small enough to fit in your carry-on, and because it's metal, it's perfect for activities that involve magnets, such as magnetic tiles for building, and the other magnets I previously mentioned. So that leads me into the next activity that works perfect for this, and that is... So because my child is still pretty young, I went ahead and got the smallest set because that's really all he needs right now. But these tiles are perfect for traveling. So if your child likes to build, they will love this activity. And even though my son isn't even 2 yet, I don't think there is any problem in getting him familiar with these blocks because there are so many benefits when engaging in activities like this. It helps foster brain development, creative thinking, and it also helps kids learn how to solve problems. So another cool thing is that with the various colors and shapes of these tiles, it can help your child acquire a strong sense of their shapes and colors, and you can even help them learn how to build shapes with these tiles as well. So the cool thing about these is that there are enough pieces for you to get creative with when it comes to their learning. Also, because these magnetics can be aligned vertically or horizontally, it also helps in the development of hand-eye coordination as well as logical and spatial thinking as well. Well, there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope it inspired you to look into what your child may like, and I hope it helped ease your worry and your overwhelm for your upcoming trip. If you're interested in learning more about these products, I'll see if I can leave a link down below for you to check out. And if you liked this video, feel free to watch my next video where I talk about DIY travel activities that are more budget friendly and cost efficient. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!